you must achieve. Even Cabo Guananu, even Cabo Guananu. As I wanna be con what they were me, even Cabo Guananu. What baby be con with the women, even Cabo Guananu. You don't enter for what I knew. C'est Seigneur, c'est Seigneur, c'est Seigneur. You walk on you, c'est Seigneur. You know there was a bat, they will convert our town to Arabako village, to Makossa village. Ini Okorie, I could take come eat you, I go still there with you. Oh, you plan kidnapping, oh, you plan assassin. My chat, they no go die. Hey, our headers they don't convert you. What more of the youth you? They don't join you. Ima Wilfred nuku na tozo kenikono. Ima Wilfred nuku na tozi chifu boy. You do it for what I knew. C'est Seigneur, c'est Seigneur, c'est Seigneur. You walk on
Bonjour! Bonjour! Comment allez-vous? Shut up! Shut up! You're no longer in Congo. You're in Nigeria, our hometown. In fact, this is our village, Obofia. Sorry, my dear. Please, we are looking for the Echezona family in Obofia village here.
You mean Echezona? The famous madman?
Exactement. Oui.
Oh. Actually, you have missed your way. Yeah? Okay. Go through this untitled road now. Then come out to the next tied road. Follow your left. The third building by the same left. That's the house you're looking for.
Oh, oui. Merci beaucoup.
I don't know any family called Merci Beaucoup in this community.
Sorry, I mean to say thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Driver, let's go.
Look, madam. I'm not moving an inch here. Okay, what is it? Did you pay me to drive it to the end of this world? See, you will require a bulldozer to move me from this place. I'm not doing Nigeria.
Driver, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est, suppose?
Calme-toi.
Qu'est-ce que c'est, suppose? Oh,
driver, calme-toi.
Le pourquoi nous avons dit what is it? Calme-toi, suppose.
Oh, driver. Calme-toi. Qu'est-ce que c'est, moi? Calme-toi. Good boy.
Merci.
Maxi.
It's so bad. Let us go.
English talk anyhow you like.
Trouble! Obofia village. The land is beset with strange dangers. Danger! Abari! I can hear you. I perceive what you see. Our land has welcomed massive danger. Danger! Danger! Abari! Okwani mene sinibiane! Okwani mene sinibiane! Okwani mene sinibiane! Okwani mene sinibiane! Pakiri, pakiri po.
Bonjour c'est Seigneur. Afolengenanya. Je m'appelle Bobo. Ibi fenacho. English or French you. Talk a many how you like you. It in me say I like your way. Very Bobo. Bobo, Bobo. You name me for Bobo. I love you, Bobo. Bobo, Bobo. Bobo. Bobo, Bobo, Bobo. You don't finish me, Bobo. I love you, Bobo. Bobo, Bobo, Bobo. Bobo. Bobo, Bobo. You name me for Bobo. I love you, Bobo.
Hey! Hello, Namija.
C'est magnifique. Beautiful.
Bobo. Bobo, Bobo. You name me for Bobo. I love you, Bobo.
Huh?
Bobo, Bobo.
What about that thing?
You don't finish me, Bobo.
Hey!
I love you, Bobo.
Bonsoir!
So, hello, Namija.
Bonsoir! 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 Hello! Bonsoir! Bonsoir! Sorry. He does not live here. No. That simply means good day. I greet you too. Thank you. And please, is this Echezona family's compound? Yes. I hope no problem. Oh! Sweet home! Oh, sweet home! Sorry. My name is Sabina Echezona. I traveled with my uncle Nana to Congo 30 years ago. When I was 11 years. Sabi, as large as life. Don't tell me you are Nwankwo, my sister. I am Nwankwo. Sabina, my sister. Nwankwo. Sabina. Nwankwo. Sabina. Who is she? My daughter, of course. Your daughter? Oh, you now have a good daughter. Oh, you're welcome. Maxie, what is your name? Oh, so my first name. Again. Yeah. She doesn't understand English. No, she understands English. Her name is Isioma. They call her Petenyon in Congo. Isioma is okay. I like that one. Mama, you are welcome, my daughter. You're welcome. You're welcome. Mama, I don't like Isioma. Don't worry. Don't worry. You will like it. By the time I start calling you that name, you will like it. Naka, you will like it. Naka. You're welcome.
You know, the whole village has been speculating on how our marriage is going to look like.
The ceremony is going to be something that no one can guess. And it's going to be bigger than what any mind can imagine.
Yes. You know, you always sweep me off my feet every other day that I see you.
Yeah, and I love you too.
I love you more.
No, I should be the one saying it and not you. I will love you forever and ever and ever.
And I will love you forever.
What is it?
This is a sign that my mother calls me. It's urgent. And I need to leave now.
What is it again now? This kind of thing, sometimes something will show, sometimes not. Just go.
Omenkonyenka, you dey give wahala for this villa. You be balaba. Omenka, for this villa you be wahala. Omenka.
Omeka the manager.
Omenka, you dey give wahala for this villa. You be balaba. Omenka, for this villa you be wahala. Omenka.
This one is not answering us.
We have not reached any business deal, and you are here suffocating my bench.
Omenka, you should at least answer our greetings first now. Ogini.
Keep your greetings. Keep your greetings. And let my bench have some fresh air. I don't trust this thing you are depositing on my bench.
Omenka, are you asking us to get up? Is that what you are saying?
You have just said exactly what I said. You are repeating it. Eh?
Ichomenka, have you forgotten that we are your son's clients? Have you forgotten? Have you forgotten that the money with which you built this your house, bought this chair, this bench, and even the mouth organ that blows your pride? We paid your son the money. He got it from us. Have you forgotten?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now, who is begging who? Is it my son that he went to your houses to seek your patronage? Or that you came to my house here to ask for my son's services? Huh? Which is which? Tell me.
Omenka, when will you stop being hostile to people? When will you stop this unholy pride?
As long as Olisa, my son, is the most talented farmer in this whole community and the only pride of Obofia Kingdom. Yes. Now, get up and tell me why you are here. Get up from the bench. Get up. Get up and tell me why you are here.
Omenka, if I didn't come here with a grateful heart, there's no way, not even a second, would I have condoned your attitude, the arrogance you spat on my face and my fellow elders. Omenka, we need an apology. Now that I have let it out, I call no Omenka, your son worked hard for me. I had a bountiful harvest. And I said to myself that I would be a foolish elder if I wouldn't show appreciation to his hard work. Here are my gift of thanksgiving to your son from my farm of which he cultivated.
You said my son cultivated your farm, and you had bountiful harvest.
Yes, sir.
And you come to present this kwashoko gift as your gratitude. Hey! Onowa, you are as sick as your gratitude.
Ichiomenka, he called it gratitude. After all, he paid your son. He's not owing your son at all. He's not owing your son at all. He just gratitude.
If this bench were not truly mine, or if this bench is mine, and you sit on it for the next 5 seconds, may Amadioha elongate your manhood longer than your 2 legs joined together.
We came to your house to employ the services of your son. And all we get is these terrible curses on us.
You all did the right thing. For your information, I, as the manager of my son, hereby increase his wages of his job to 20,000 naira per job.
20,000 what?
20,000 naira. 1,000 naira.
What is wrong with the 10,000 naira we usually pay? What is wrong with that?
The manager has spoken. The manager has spoken.
This is exploitation.
I have spoken.
The land is beset with gross evil. There is danger in the air. You must be fortified against the attack. Mother, I'm fortified already. Am I not? The danger I perceive is so huge that our land has never seen before. I don't want my daughter to be a victim of such disaster. Mother, you have endowed me with so much powers to conquer every evil that comes my way. Not one more word again. On your knees. On your knees! Face Abari. Ọ̀pàní mẹ́rẹ́ sí ni bíané. Ọ̀pàní mẹ́rẹ́ sí ni bíané. Bọ́kiri pọ̀. Whatever that wants to kill you shall see this fowl in place of you. Any horror that is to attack you shall attack this fowl. Anything that wants to eat you shall see this fowl. Ọ̀pàní mẹ́rẹ́ sí ni bíané. Ọ̀pàní mẹ́rẹ́ sí ni bíané. Asimo ọ̀pàní mẹ́rẹ́ sí ni bíané. Ọ̀pàní mẹ́rẹ́ sí ni bíané. Kpọ́kiri pọ̀pọ̀. Ọ̀pọ̀ ìfíìsì m kan na-eme. Ọwari iyi. Ọ̀pọ̀ ìfíìsì m kan na-alụ. Ọ̀pọ̀ ìfíìsì m kan na-eme. Ọ bụzi mmụọ ka ọ bụ mmadụ ka m ga-atụ egwu. Agbara iyi. Ọ̀pàní mẹ́rẹ́ sí ni bíané. Kpọ́kiri pọ̀pọ̀.
When our mother and the rest of our siblings died,
and Papa's madness proved beyond cure, I decided to spend the rest of my life in Congo. I couldn't withstand the shame of coming back home and being called the daughter of a madman. I got married to the most popular Makossa dancer in Congo and bore him Session. I mean Isioma. I joined my husband in his Makossa dance. I gave birth to Isioma on Makossa dance floor. Her father dedicated her to Makossa dance. That is all she knows how to do. But unfortunately, he died last month.
Oh God. That's why we decided to find our way back home. Oh my God. It's okay, it's okay.
It's okay, stop the tears. Whatever that has happened is past. And the reason why we are alive is to face the future.
It's okay. It's okay. May his soul rest in peace, Amen. So, Auntie, what about your husband and your children, Kwano?
My daughter, I have none. Nobody wants to marry someone with madness in their lineage. Especially madness inflicted by the traditions of the land. Your mother was lucky. She went far away. That was why she was able to have you.
Okay. Yeah. The call. I understand you.
Sabina, what is all this Senyon, Zion, Kwanon she always adds at the end of each word she says? It's called Ghetto Lumpala.
Yeah, we Ghetto Lumpala, yo.
Yeah. What is it? Isioma, you have to stop that now. You're no longer in Congo. We're in the village.
Mama, I will try on.
You better.
Okay.
So tell me, where was Papa buried? My sister Sabina, according to the traditions of our land, it is a taboo to bury him in our village. They disposed his corpse into Udenewu River.
Mama.
I am back with a mission and revenge. The whole village must pay the very hard way.
Mama, there's no going back on this mission.
Mwaka!
Bonjour. Bonjour, monsieur.
Bonnie and Uju just left for the city yesterday.
Qu'est-ce que
c'est? Don't you have respect? Do I look like a woman that wears skirt? Don't you know that you have to first greet an elder before you begin to ask questions about Bonnie and Uju and how cool their skirt is? Eh?
But I greeted you.
Go and quickly call Nwaka for me. So, Sabina, it is true. So you could find your way back home. Yeah. Hi. Chineke, thank you very much. Sabina, you are welcome.
Thank you very much. You're welcome, sir.
You have to teach her how to greet elders.
Susion, greet Mazi.
Ma, I greeted, but he didn't respond. Bonjour, monsieur.
Bikone, saya soya no only.
Susion, say, Otutu Oma.
Otutu Oma Mazi Udomayon.
She has even added the wrong name to my own name.
No, it's not like that. That's how they speak from Congo. Very soon she will come off it. You're welcome. I appreciate your coming.
Thank you very much. We are the ones that should appreciate your coming back home.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please, let me begin to find my way back home. You're welcome. Bye-bye. Oh. Sabi.
Uh-huh. Everyone is happy that I'm back. Very soon, I will know how long that happiness will last.
Chioma, our people have an adage that the horse is a very gentle animal, but the lesson men teach it has made it very violent. And if the horse could speak, it will explain in details why it became so violent that it threw down the rider. Chioma, report has reached this council that you have arbitrarily hacked up the fare your son charges in cultivating people's land. Is it true or false?
Nayobi, you are very current. Very current indeed. All what you have said here is true.
And why must you be so callous on your own people like that?
I have not used any Roberto or Carlos to my people, but I merely increased the price against the old one.
Who do you expect to pay you such increment?
Well, those who can afford it.
The highest bidder now?
Yes.
Chioma, you must desist from implementing that increment. Olisaya's son is the most talented farmer in our land. Chioma, it is the gift of God. It is a gift given to him by Olisabinigwe. And you must not use such free gifts to usurp your own people.
Well, if this talent was freely given to people, then I wonder why none of your sons, all of your sons, has even 1/10 of such talent.
How dare you open that your dirty mouth to insult us?
Eh? I admire the interpretation of intelligence. Your interpretation of intelligence.
Omeka, swallow your pride. You are nothing but a furnished pile of sand.
If I did not know that you know that your father was an impotent man, I want to remind you that your biological father was the worst madman this land has ever produced.
Shut up then.
No. Let him talk. You have forgotten that your parents died of leprosy. Omeka, talk.
Chioma, calm down.
Nayobi, as the manager of my son, I have a very busy schedule. In fact, I know right now there's a long queue of clients waiting for me so that I service them. So I must go now.
See, as you can see, you should not say you're busy. I have a wife and I manage my wife. Did you see me leaving this meeting? This meeting is not yet over. Sit down there.
Oh no, let him go. Leave him. Let him go. I have made my declarations. Huh?
Onowa is not the right name for you. Ononkapia, that is the right name for you. Yes. Bam.
I would have used the stick, poke it into your manhood, and watch you scream your eyeballs out. Onowa.
Onowa, the Omenka. Omenka, the manager. Okay, no. Mayuku. Thank you.
You had my declaration.
Thank you, Mayuku.
That is, by the way, let Omenka go with his troubles. About why someone's sauce. Yes, I think we should go and get prepared.
The other day, how I left you, I just had to.
It's okay. I understand. I know what it means to be summoned by the...
Thank you very much. Meanwhile, where are you working this morning?
914's farm. The one at Ohiazara.
Oh. I remember. I just wish I could help out in all the jobs.
Never mind, oh. Never mind. You're helping me already. You have been helping with your tender love and care. And before I forget, I hope that urgent call by Agbaranwai was for something good.
Yes.
Jay-Z! I've been smart to the mix. I'm busy, yeah. Okay. Dance, make a dance, dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine. Dance, let me see this. Take up the same let me see this. Give her instrumental, let me see her dance. Even though she the one, that's the case. I the actor, action. I the do activities like if I take it. I the react to something like I take. Don't them what they do, I'm not mistaken. Go US, go meet Obama, cause you know say you never try to play the Obama. Mama, this sucker we not give back. Dance so my lady, you they make me high. Baby, I don't go lie. Tonight, she want chop on you now, go down, so she want follow me now, go down, so she want follow me, go down, me and you for stage now, show down, my lady, dance for me, my baby, I go spray you my money, baby, please don't go for me, oh yeah, come dance for me, your biggie body, fine, shorty, oh yeah, come dance for me, oh, dance, make a dance, dance, make a dance, baby, dance, make a dance, dance, make a dance, the way she dance.
Stop it! What is wrong with you? Auntie Wanya! What is wrong with you? Don't you know that it's an abomination to play music on the day the Abarawani summons the elders to the shrine? Eh? Why? Can't you hear the drum beat of Abari escorting the elders to the shrine? Why? Don't ask me why. Your mother should have told you that. This same abomination made our father, your grandfather, run mad, and the consequence of it is perpetual madness. Auntie, since you don't know why, let me play my music. Don't. I said don't. Don't go there. It's okay. I will tell you that. I will tell you what happened. Come and sit down. Okay. In the olden days, we used to have an... What's your problem? In the olden days, we used to have an Abaranwoke. One day, the Abaranwoke summons the elders to the shrine. That day was the cultural dance festival of our village. The elders were carried away by the music. By the time they realized themselves and went back to the shrine, the Abaranwoke was dead.
The wife was so angry that she cursed the land. She said there will never be an Abaranwoke in our kingdom, in our land. And after then, later, we suffered a severe operation from another village called Udeneu Kingdom. Since we do not have an Abara descendant, we decided to have an Abara wine, because the cause only hinders us from having an Abara Woke. And ever since then, it became a taboo. Isioma, it became a taboo for anyone to play music on the day the Abarawanye summons the elders to the shrine. The consequences is perpetual madness. Our father, your grandfather, was a victim.
Auntie, since you don't know how this taboo came about, just let me play my music. History is past, Makossa is current music. Let me play my music,
Isioma,
party, let me see this. Teach me how to dance, cause I know some dance. Tell me who made it.
I beg you, daughter of the greatest goddess. I beg you, please pardon her. She's only but a stranger. Stranger, my foot!
The gods has no sentiment for anyone.
Yes, I know that. She just came back from Congo.
And so what?
She just came back from Congo.
No way! And so what, Mayo?
The chicken armor.
And so what, Mayo?
The chicken armor.
I'll play my music one. You can't do anything. Do your worst, Mayo.
Teach me how to dance. Take it to the left, to the right, bring it forward. Let me show you how we do this. Love is in a top. Allow me to my mentor. Music on my hobby. All of them sharp, but I'm with hot. Grab your old toys. I'm getting a new toy. I'm liking your
Some carriers of evil have set their feet on our land. And that does not mean well for our people.
But about why? Who are these evil people? So we can fish them out and banish them from our land immediately.
You have not shown me their faces, but I can feel their presence.
So shall we wait till Abari shows their faces? How long will it be?
We must all be at alert. The evil I perceive is so great that our land has never witnessed before. Our land must be fortified before these evil strangers can be fetched out.
In that case, mighty goddess of our land, let the fortification be done immediately.
It shall be done at the behest of Great Adigwe. What makes the daughter of the goddess fight?
Someone has trampled on the traditions of the land. The taboo of playing music the day Abara wine summons the elders. She even challenged the gods to do their worst.
What is the right of sacrilege? Say you
my daughter. Awari! The great Awari! Offices in Kaneme. Offices of the mother. I'm that way. The consequence of such acts must be dished out in full portion. Prepare the village! Amalawani is coming out today. I believe in the I believe in the
we are running to nowhere. Let her come.
Sabina, do you want your daughter to run mad? Your only child?
Auntie, what you don't know is bigger than you.
It is you, Isioma, who don't know what is about to happen to you. Do you want to run mad to death like your grandfather? Please. This is the only chance to save it. Let's go. Let's run. Let's run away. I beg you. I beg you.
daughter. We must leave. Mother, I saw her playing music when you summoned the elders. I know, but we must leave immediately.
This is why. Is anything the matter?
What I see, I cannot say until I hear more from Abariyi. We must leave now. I know that the only consequence for what she has done is pure madness. You don't know, Madam Abariyi. Have me out of here. No! Abara wanya po bago. Abara wanya na bago. How did you do that? What did you do? Did you have any secret power that you don't know? Isioma has already answered that question. What you don't know is bigger than you. C'est fini. Au revoir. Au revoir. Babayon.
Papa, I hope all is well in our land. Papa, what brought Agbara wine out from her shrine today?
There is only one thing that can bring Agbara wine out of the shrine.
Yes. When someone transgresses the traditions of our land. So Papa, tell me, who is the newest mad person in this land?
The gods are silent. Agbara wine is yet to declare madness upon the transgressor. There is great trouble in the land.
What you saw concerning the transgressor and the mother. But it's my right, as your successor, to know this top secret. What I saw is a mystery to me that only the gods can unravel. I cannot speak. No, not now. The traditions of our land has spelled the consequences of such sacrilege. There are rules governing every law. They shall be duly punished when the gods finally speak. We didn't have to wait for the gods to speak when those that committed same sacrilege in the past. Why now? The situation is different. The situation is worse, mother. It is worse. She tell the gods of our land, mother. Is enough to nail her to death. Stay clear. They are dangerous. Abali shall speak. And until then you shall stay clear from them. I was consulting the oracle before you came. Pakiri, Sabina! Sabina! Yeah. What are you doing with radio sets?
Auntie, I thought we were going to the farm.
Isioma, you don't need a radio set to work with in the farm. Okay, what is wrong with you? Eh? If you are going to church, get Bru radio. If you are going to the market, get Bru radio. You going to the farm, get Bru radio. Then you just latrine. You carry radio.
Auntie, pas de problem with my radio. Pas de problem with my radio. Je t'aime ma musique. I love my Makossa music and all.
That Makossa will not work in this village. Isioma, go in there and drop the radio. Let's go to the farm.
Ma. Waka. Oh, let her be. Huh? This Makossa has been part of her for over 20 years now. It's not easy to take it off from her. You let her be. Let her go with her radio. Oh,
Merci, Mama. Merci what? Merci what? Isioma, you simply don't need radio to work with in the farm. Eh? Radio is a household electronics, not a farming implement.
She knows that. When will you take her for who she is? Let her be, for crying out loud. I want to go back to Congo.
Oh!
Like what Auntie is doing.
Seseyon. Is it because of this one thing I just said now that you want to go back to Congo?
I want to go back to Congo. I like my music and all. You take my music.
Okay, see, I am sorry. You see that's your Congo music? It will work in this village. It will surely work in this village. Eh? Marama, are you happy now?
Oui.
Yeah, let's go. It will work. Why you here?
C'est moi. Qu'est-ce qu'elle a fait? Tout le monde chéri Coco.
Jay-Z. I be smart to the mix. I'm busy, yeah. Okay. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she da move, she da make me wine, wine, wine. The way she dance, the way she da move, she da make me wine, wine, wine. Dance, let me see this. Take up the same tall, let me see this. Give her instrumental, let me see her dance. Even though she the one that does the dance. I the actor, action. I the do activities like overtake. I the react to something like party. Don't tell me what to do, I'm not mistaken. Go US, go meet your papa, cause you know say never chop.
What is wrong with you?
Oh, Waka! Ma!
Sabina, you are even watching your daughter indulge in such dance. Eh?
Waka, I used Makossa dance to gain my citizenship in Congo. Whining of my waist, when I whine it, I used it to dine with the president. You see this village? I will scatter this village with Makossa dance. Even you will be caught up in Makossa hold up. With what me and my daughter will cut in this village, just watch and see.
Sabina, I beg you, please, my sister. Don't even allow anyone to see you dancing that your useless Makossa dance in this village. Please, I beg you. Don't remind them the fact that our father died a shameful death as a madman. Because what?
That is the more reason why I will scatter this village with Makossa. Auntie, they killed my grandfather with madness. Me and Mama were going to scatter this village with Makossa. You know, everybody won't run mad. No retreat, no surrender. Even flies in this village, they will dance Makossa. They will dance Makossa. Stephanie, they will dance Makossa.
Sabina, you are dreaming. Sabina, my sister, you are just dreaming. Stop dreaming. The people of Obofia are people with good morals. Yes, they see Makossa dance as demonic and corrupt dance. That is only prostitutes and useless people in the society that indulge in such dance.
Mwaka! What you don't know is bigger than you. Session on the music.
Oui, Mama. Sabina Pachalanya go.
Thank you very much.
Udo.
Yes. Thank you.
You have no reason to fear at all.
Okay.
My son is already getting ready to follow you to the farm.
Okay. That is the more reason why I must appreciate you. Please manage this talking. Please. Yes.
You call it token, eh?
Yes, it is token.
For this, I will ginger my son to put more effort into the job so that your farm will be...
Thank you very much once more. I must not fail to bring to you the first fruit of the bountiful harvest, you know, on my farm when it is matured.
It's okay.
Thank you very much.
It's okay. I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you very much.
Chief, you come my house.
Yes, okay.
You are welcome. You are welcome.
Hey. Yes. Chiomeka, I came to employ the services of your son. I would like him to work on my farm.
Today?
Yes.
Well, that will be for next week. He's booked for the rest of the week.
But you see, I would want him to start today because I'll be traveling to the city tomorrow.
I'm just telling you that he is booked for the rest of the week. You should come next time. Huh? In fact, Chief Udoma is waiting here for him to come out so that they both go to his farm.
Ichie, I strongly believe that there's something you can do about this.
Didn't you hear what he said? That it is my turn to have his son work on my farm today. Why mounting much pressure on him?
You see, you hear from the horse's mouth. Huh? Come back next time.
Ichie, can I see you for 1 minute? Just one.
Yes. I'm coming. Repeat what you just said.
I said I will pay you 25,000 naira instead of the 20,000 you normally charge.
We have got action. Bring the money.
This is what you charge.
Caro.
Yes. Then this one is for your color nut.
Thank you very much. This is done.
That is why I like it.
Banzo Doma. Do you want me to still keep this chicken feed?
I don't understand.
I don't want cost money. Huh? You can go now. My son is already booked for today.
Omenka.
Look, you can call me so many times as you like. Huh? You see, I should keep this money for the kola nut and the drink that your long throat could not resist. Huh?
Let's
go inside so that we are not infected by the poverty virus.
For this villa you be wahala. Omenka, your own busy. Iyanga de sleep. They wake am up. Omenka.
Sabi, you sent for me.
Have you finished what you're doing?
Yes.
Sit. Since I came back from Congo, I've been jobless. And it's beginning to disturb me. The little farm that we're doing, it doesn't give me joy. I am thinking of going into a business I know how to do.
Hey, that is good though. So, what kind of business are you talking about?
Makossa dance.
I don't understand you.
A palm wine joint where we will entertain our customers with Makossa dance.
And who will be doing the Makossa dance, if I may ask?
Isioma and I.
To Fiakwa. Sabina, did you just hear yourself? No. Let me just believe that that was just a slip of the tongue.
I am very serious. I want to do Makossa dance in this village. That is all I want to do.
Look, Sabina, you are no longer in Congo. This is Obofia village. You had better deport every Congo blood that followed you into this village and send them packing out of your life.
Congo blood has come to stay. There's no going back.
Look at you. Just look at you. We have not yet recovered from the shame that our father died as a madman. Here you are upgrading your madness. Sabina, don't just provoke me. Don't just provoke me with this your Akiko story. Your cock and bull nonsense. Rubbish. Nonsense.
Whether you like it or not, I'm going to open a Makossa dance in this village. C'est fini. Au revoir.
Great oracle of the mighty river Fudenewu. You have never been this silent before. Speak to me. I see them, covered in gross darkness. I sense evil all around them. They don't mean well for the land. Show me who they are! Show me! No! No! You must not let this happen again! Seize their powers! Stop them! Abari! Stop them! Stop them! Ogonna Julius Uba.
Je sais c'est yon, afolengenanya. Je m'appelle Bobo.
Beautiful girl, my name is Olise. By the special grace of God, I'm the most gifted farmer in Obofia Kingdom. You see, I just want to know your name. That's it.
Are you not tired of being a fool, huh? Are you not tired of being a fool, Kono? Is my silence, not enough to cure your foolishness?
It appears to how you see it. You see, that is why it appears to you like I'm a fool. But I'm not a fool. You see, I've been following you since from the town square. All I want is just to know your name. That is it.
Oui?
Oui, hein?
Je m'appelle Cicignon.
Cicignon.
Je m'appelle Cicignon. Oui.
I would have preferred Fly because you look so fly. So fly. It's not that you're a fly, but you look so like this. You look so fly. But you see, Sesefly is the name of an insect. What I want to know is your own name.
My name is Sisinyon, but you can call me Somayon.
Somayon, oui. Somayon, oui. Somayon, oui. Okay. I guess what you're trying to say is that your name is Isioma.
Oui.
Ha.
Oui.
Lovely name. Oui. Sorry. One more question.
Qu'est-ce que tu veux? Qu'est-ce que tu veux?
Oui. There's one thing I want to ask you. One question. What powers do you possess that made Agbaranwai not to afflict the madness on you the other day?
What's that your name?
Olise.
What's that your name?
Olisa.
Olisenyon.
Olisanyon, oui.
We don't test my patience, Kwano. You will not like me, Kwano. Olisenyon, don't test me. Don't get on my nerves, Kwano. Don't get on my nerves, Kwano. Oh, watch your tongue, Kwano. You're looking like a chicken about to fly. I will roast you and eat you dry and raw, Kwano. Watch your tongue, Kwano.
Shameless native fowl. Listen, my betrothed is too big for you, Kwano.
I don't have time for you. Me? Sisiyo? From getting Lumpalayo? Rubbish, Kwano. Rubbish, Kwano.
Oui.
Come back here. Where are you going to?
It's not what you think. It's not what you think.
I don't want to hear it because I heard everything you were telling her. I heard everything. Yep. Stay away from that girl. She's a witch.
Who is a witch? We.
Olisa, help your life. Am I not good enough for you?
You're taking this thing too far. You're taking this thing too far.
What is wrong with you?
We.
Olisa, come back here.
What one?
Here comes the good for nothing man.
Calm down. No, let him come. We are here together. We know. It's okay. Calm down.
Mazudoma, you know you are in front of Nayobi.
Good for nothing man. I know.
Calm your temper.
I know it. I know. It's okay.
Yes. Nayobi, I greet. Akelem, Ichieben, I greet you. Thank you.
Yes, I invited you here due to countless reports from those that patronize your son. I mean those that hire his services. In other words, his clients. Reports are brought against you with regard to the way you antagonize them. Let me ask you even, why do you take pleasure in antagonizing those who patronize your son?
If it were the soccer game, it is called over the bar. Omeka! That is Ogago, go Agago. Omeka! Omeka, the manager.
Omeka manager,
yes.
Ask me kita wachajono. Do you think that you are in the garden of fools like you?
Iketa orachakwago ike. Yara charike tari.
Omeka is taking
I'm telling you.
Yes, in fact, let the rabies infected dog bite that your man who that your Ogonna to pieces. Yes. Useless creature, expired creature, that's what you are. You are an expired creature. That's what you are.
Please sit down, both of you. You know, I'm not feeling very well. These rantings and shoutings breaks me down to bone. In a nutshell, Omeka, go now and return whatever bribe you must have collected from Surugete. And send your son immediately to Mazudoma's farm. Do this even as I'm speaking now.
Nairobi, if I'm to return the money, Surugere gave me? What about the bribe this Kwashoko Udoma gave me?
What? Udo, are you female? What is he talking about?
You did that? Udo? Now answer me. What bribe is he talking about?
You know he's a man with flippant tongue. I did not give him any bribe. But what? I only gave him 500 naira in appreciation.
Before the job or after the job? Appreciation before or after?
Watch your tongue. Watch your tongue.
Udo,
I am disappointed in you.
Nayobi. This man, Udoma, this Kwashoko Udoma, gave me 500 naira bribe. Ordinary 500 naira bribe before the job. While Surugere gave me 5,000 naira in appreciation. Now, if you were in my shoes, who would you appreciate?
Doma, you are a disgrace to the elders in council.
Udoma, I am disappointed in you, Udoma. You know very well that it is against the ethics of this council to give bribes. You first soil your hands. Oh.
That's why you are
Well, my elders, this meeting is declared closed now.
Nayobi, thank you very much. I thank you. Ichidem, I thank you as the manager of this business. As Omeka, the manager.
You do it for what I knew. C'est Seigneur, c'est Seigneur. You walk on c'est Seigneur. Watch it. All the way from Congo, they don't storm the villa. They won't rock the villa.
I want you to stay away from them. You must stay clear from those carriers of evil.
She seduces my fiance.
Your life is important. I don't like what I perceive about that girl and her mother.
What is so special about them that you don't want to share with anyone, Mother?
I can only perceive it. But the gods have not shown me. I perceive great danger looming all over this village.
Am I no longer the daughter of Abari goddess? Meant to be your confidence in matters like this?
For the first time, the gods are forced to be silent.
Then speak for the gods, because she has committed sacrilege in the eyes of men and our land.
Soon, and very soon, they shall be brought to book. The gods are battling with them in spirit. Stay away from them, for your life.
Well, this is becoming confusing. Very, very confusing.
Stay clear. Stay clear!
pọpọ. Pọkiri pọpọ. Abuni mere sini biane. Asimo abuni mere sini biane. Abuni mere sini biane. The power that holds the sun and the moon, the most superior oracle of our land, the eye that sees what the eyes cannot see, the peace and goodness of this land is at the mercy of some evil strangers. Abari, your people cry out. Save them from the fatal grip of these evil strangers. Abuni mere sini biane, abuni mere sini biane. As we make this sacrifice at every junction of our village, we shall detect the footsteps of the evildoers that dwell amongst us and expose our enemies. Abari! I declare total destruction and humiliation upon them without mercy. Show us a sign that you have accepted our sacrifice. A sign! A sign, nobody! A sign, nobody! Obuni mere sini biane! Obuni mere sini biane! Asimo obuni mere sini biane! Obuni mere sini biane!
Sabina, you know you are my only surviving sister. I want you to tell me the truth and nothing but the truth. What actually happened the day Abarawani visited our home?
Only Abarawani knows.
Okay. You and your daughter always tell me that what I don't know is bigger than me. Yes, of course. What is it that I need to know?
All you need to know is that myself and my daughter, we have made up our mind to pay this village back for what our stupid tradition did to our father.
Sabina, no one fights such battle empty-handed. Do you possess some kind of evil powers?
Is that why you called me?
Sabina, I am scared. I am scared for you. I don't want the Abarawani's wrath to befall you. The Ichwani rituals was done last night. Sabina, that sacrifice summons the Abara'i to destroy anyone who has evil motive against the land.
Abara'i can do its worst.
Sabina! Sabina, the ears of the cause are everywhere. Sabina, apologize at once before the cause descend on you.
I have descended upon the village already, and there is no going back until I accomplish my mission. Stephanie, au revoir.
Sabina!
I'll come and plug it. Plug it. Hey. Chidebe, let's rest small, man. Please. I'm tired. This one is heavy. Maybe I don't have strength. It's heavy. Chidebe, don't lie to me. Just tell me the truth. I know you've been missing Odinaka since he left for the city, eh?
Well, since you asked for the truth, the answer is capital yes.
It's not easy though. You've seen what I've been passing through since Nana left for the city. It's not easy at all.
My sister, what will I do, Kwame? When all the young boys are just migrating to the city for greener pastures. Anyways, it's one good, Sha.
Did Kemuna, did she tell you anything Abaranwa and her mother said about the danger in the land?
She hasn't said anything, no. She told you something?
Not really, she didn't tell me anything, just that everybody's scared. Everybody's scared in this village for Abaranwa to say that there is danger. Are we really safe?
There is serious panic in the land, though. But I trust Abaranwa will conquer the enemies. The ritual was performed last night. In no more time, those two evils will be brought to book. You will see.
Hey, sure. You've concluded already?
Yes, now. Who else? Why do you think Abaranwa refused to afflict them with madness, even for their evil powers? Eh?
Maybe Abaranwa just wanted to show them mercy because someone has been afflicted in that family before.
Did you say pity? Abaranwa show pity. My dear, that is the most impossible thing I have heard and can never hear. Seriously.
Anyway, let's keep watching and hope that Abariyi will take care of the situation so fast. Because it's getting out of hands.
Well, the ritual has been performed. Next is action. Let's wait and see. Let's go.
Let's rest more.
You're always very lazy. See what me, I'm carrying heap of fire with you. I just this one.
Let me rest.
See. Lele.
Omenkonyenka, you dey give wahala for this villa. You be balaba. Omenka, for this villa you be wahala. Omenka. Your own busy.
You have come to see me, I guess. Eh?
Yes,
Ichi Omenka, you are supposed to attend to me first.
Actually, Ichi, he came before us.
He's been here. Does it mean I will attend to him first? Eh? I wonder why a full-grown man with all his maturity can stand here all the time and don't even say a word. He doesn't even say one word.
But I greeted you when I came in.
And I greeted you back. Have you said anything again?
But I was waiting for you to finish cleaning your mouth.
You see the insult? So you are calling me now that I have a smelly mouth. I have mouth odor. That's why you couldn't talk to me. Eh? So abusim onyo ezure.
That was not what I mean, Omenka. I discovered that you were busy.
Now let me ask you, does a man listen with his mouth? I advise you to shut up that your mouth and let me
for this villa.
I'm so happy that you came to my house this morning.
Nanyichi, we want to engage your son's service. Yes.
Oh, my son's services?
Yes.
You said we. Does it mean you and this beautiful lady?
Yes, Nai.
Does she live in this village with her husband?
I'm a widow, Nai. Yes.
Oh, so sorry. But if I tell you sorry, who will tell me sorry? I'm also a widower. So sorry for both of us.
Omeka, how much will that cost us?
It has been paid for. It has already been paid for.
Paid by who?
You know, circumstances have dealt with it already. You see, if a widow and a widower engage in some business, money will not be the only gain to be derived. You understand what I mean?
Omeka, do you mean you would do it for us free?
Oh, yes, it's almost free. It's almost free. You can...
Omeka, you are very funny. I see you.
So you can come tomorrow for my son, eh?
Okay.
Yes, for my son. Okay. You can even borrow some land to join your own. My son will work all of them like a bulldozer. No. Yeah,
Now you make it, that would be very nice.
Oh, yes.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
thank you very much. We'll be on our way. Thank you very much. You.
You dey give wahala for this villa. You be balaba. Omenka. For this villa you be wahala.
My bosom friend. Yes, you know, out of all my clients, you are my most favored. I understand why you are frowning. Let me get you a bottle of hot with some cola. I know your longer throat will douse your anger if I bring it. Come.
You dey give wahala for this villa. You be balaba. Omenka. For this villa you be wahala. Omenka.
Yeah. We be the baddest. I rap, I sing, I come and see. I go on the show, I back fancy. I go on the club, I pop something. Every girl's mommy go about something. You know fire emergency. Now me be the baddest. See, I dey get money for anywhere. I dey go on the club, I dey go anywhere. I dey go NYC and every day. And if you come with me, you go take a year. You go take a year. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere over there, we the baddest. Now we be the baddest. We the kill on the show to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere over there, we the run them. Why ain't the baddest?
Lord, anything we do, we dey carry first, carry first. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere over there, we dey run it. Now we be the baddest. We dey kill them the show to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere over there, we dey run it. Why you ain't the baddest? Now we be the baddest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere over there, we dey run it. Now we be the baddest. We dey kill them the show to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere over there, we dey run it. Why you ain't the baddest? Now we be the baddest. Say I'ma give respect to my mom and dad for bringing me to this world, mostly to Almighty God. May I pray to Almighty God, keep you safe, man. Respect to all my producers. Yadano, Yadano. Christmas on the mix.
Monica, do you realize what you're doing to your life?
That woman and her daughter are not who you think they are.
But Agbaranwai did not say that.
She told me who they really are. Stay away from them.
See, let me tell you, I am not going there to do anything. I only come here to be entertained.
Don't try it. Don't go back there again.
Okay, at least my drink.
No.
Pepper soup. No! What about Makossa?
No way. Let's go back home.
Leprono. This one is very hard. It's a very hard one. See, what you are talking about is my hard-earned money. I use in buying all those things.
The gods will provide for you.
The gods will give me that money. Everything. No. At least there should be 1 yes. 1 yes. And that yes is now. See, there is something special about that place. Oh.
Do you know what I'm enjoying there? Those people are really entertaining me. Olisa! Now, please, you are disturbing me with this your crying. Eh? When you are carried away by the daggly bottom of your Makossa dancer, you didn't know that the end will be painful, Abi?
I didn't know it was a human being dancing. I thought it was a robot.
I see. A robot in Ogonna village, eh?
That was why I tried to capture it very well.
Now, please close your mouth. Let me concentrate now. Eh?
My wife, take it easy. Take it easy. It is painful.
As for that Sabina, or whatever she's called, I will show her that she's not the only woman that has Pupu Makossa in this village. By the time I will display my Ege dance, or my Opanda Pata, or Kofozia, my Ziggy, my dimension. Nobody will tell her to pack her Upu and go back to Congo.
Yes, please. Do it. Please show her. I trust what you can do with your waist.
I'll show her what they call me number one. Now keep quiet or I will sit on your head.
Sit on my head. You try boom. Take water again now.
No, keep quiet or I sit on your head. Quiet.
Take water.
Warn your son. For anyone who toys with my daughter's heart, seek my wrath.
I implore you, Superior Goddess, please pardon him. For the sake of the fact that he is betrothed to your daughter.
That is no excuse. He must abstain from anything my daughter doesn't like.
I will take your warning to him. He will surely take the caution.
I
I shall not hesitate to take the life of anyone who comes between him and my daughter. Remember, whatever the gods bless him with, I made it so.
Please, don't take it away from him. Please don't take it away. He will surely make some adjustments.
Take my warning!
Thank you, Superior Goddess of the Great River.
Sabina! 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 Come out here. Olachi, Africa, Nigeria, Makossa is here. Come out.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Don't ask me about any skirt. Because when you were busy dangling and dancing your own, you did not wear any skirt. You think we are the only woman that has Zuku Makossa in this village.
Oh! What have I done this morning? That you have to burst into my house and start attacking me? Huh?
Sabina, when I looked into my husband's eyes, I saw your dangling buttocks. So I've come to collect what rightfully belongs to me, just the same way you hijacked my husband.
You better carry this your uku stretch mark and leave this place before I tear you like a mad dog.
No! I want it like a mad kangaroo. My friend, pack my well, and salute your master. Let me go now.
Why I was not in the mix. Huh? You just trying to see you. Yeah. You got this girl hanging out for you. That's what I think is that's what they want you. See this girl to like to love you. She want to buy, she want to I want you. Honey can I carry? She just feeling my barrow. I know it's been a go. Why you won't follow me into my barrow? Please and again, she must check for me. See me, I mean, I must check for me. And me too, I let my check for me. I must check for me. I must check for me. Let's go again, rocking the body, making my money like a lemonade. Too much money, too much body, too much money. We've been balling, balling, we've been calling, calling. Say I be loving you, love and love. Say we've been balling, balling. Holla, holla, she's like in my dollar, dollar. She's like in the hammer, she's in the dollar, dollar. Zion and Gideon, we killing the beat. Although we not screening the hit, I get the power to make you defeat. Make you know though, you make me like this. When I they call me collar. When I sing, they call me baller. Back in the days when I get $10. Back in the days when I get $10. We've been balling, balling. This thing you do to me, Allah. Everything you do to me, Allah.
Hey, what nonsense? You stopped my music. Oh God! Sarina, this is just part 1. And I'm sure you can't afford to miss part 2. Huh? You want to even me, my dear?
Listen, let me tell you something. Don't start what you cannot finish. Or if you dance and run away, you will live to dance another day.
And make sure you don't contest with me again. Because if you contest with me, you contest with power. Alarm! What you? Go! African market.
You get the sweetie mouth, sweetie body.
Olisa, why are you seated like this? Are you not working?
I finished working the one inside. I'm resting.
Oh, okay. Well, my mother sent for you.
I hope there's no problem.
You have to leave everything you're doing now and follow us.
So why is the call that urgent?
What kind of stupid question is that? Do you want to face the consequence of my mother?
How are you doing, Kono?
Yes, sir.
farm.
Yes, yeah, different farmer.
My auntie sent me to know if you have finished clearing the farmland.
I finished that one, inside yo.
Let me have you see, Kono.
Straight ahead.
Yeah, stand here. Okay.
He's not going anywhere, Kono. Huh?
Ma'am.
Huh? What's your problem, Kono? Did I come here to meet you, Kono? Are you mad, Kono? Try it. He's not going anywhere, Kono. What's your tongue, Kono? Me have to come here in peace. Don't try my patience, Kono. Are you mad, Kono? Eh? Are you mad? Take her out from here!
What has she done to you people now? What has she done that people want to beat her up?
Oh, I don't have time for long talks, man. Shut up.
Do your worst. It's not
Look at this chicken flies. You quack me? Me Sisiyo? From getting no power, yo? You don't answer.
Take her out from here. Nonsense.
Me, Sisiyo.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
They meet me by bush path, man. They may quack me. Me, Sisiyo.
Oh, who?
Mama, those girls me tell you they disturb me, Mama.
Oh, what is wrong with them?
Oh, Mama, you know me don't want to show myself, Mama. If I show myself, I will finish those girls,
What is wrong with these girls? What? Huh? Oh, God. My daughter says,
from Ghetto Lompalanyo, they want to die me, Mama.
Oh!
Me from Ghetto Lompalanyo, me gonna show them. Mama, give me permission, me show myself, me finish those girls, Yellow problem here. I will deal with them, I will deal with them.
No one steps into the shrine dressed like this. Shut up! Shut up! Shut up and listen! You better warn your useless daughter to stay away from my daughter. How dare you! Don't try anything stupid. Don't even try it. Who really are you? Find out if you can. I will surely find out and disgrace you in this village. Not until I accomplish my mission. I know you are evil, but your days are numbered in this land. Warn your daughter. You won't like what will come next. You won't. Abari! Don't let her put your power to test. Show me who she really is. Show me!
Dikeh Moji, I will show you here and now that if your mouth is as long as a kettle, that my own mouth is as wild as a community.
Mon ami, attention la posée. That is what you have just said. Abra cadabra!
Please, I want to be your follower, eh? Please let me follow you. Let me join your group. Get up and follow me.
Ewu, follow me. Follow, Ewu.
English or French, talk how you like you. It in be say.